welcome back to my channel HIL tutorial. In this video I am going to tell you different types of development stages being practiced in model based design engineering. Okay, so definitely we do model based design engineering against the customer's requirement. Okay, so suppose you want to work in a industry where product being developed for automotive engineering or some power system engineering or power electronics engineering. So in such type of company, the company will go to their clients and client will keep their requirement. So to be an engineer, you have to understand the requirement of the customer and you have to pass through different development stages in order to develop a product. Okay, so first stage is the understanding the requirement of the product. Okay, means what the customer exactly want from you, so that you have to understand step by step, okay, and logically, so that you will be able to develop some product which the customer actually want. The next step is the modeling, means theoretical modeling. You have to do some calculation, you have to do development of some mathematical equations. So all this you have to do under this stage. Once you have done the modeling part, means your equations are ready, then you will go for the simulation stage. Okay, and first stage of simulation will be practiced here. So that is the model in the loop testing or model in the loop simulation. So under this stage you will completely develop your model in a virtual simulation environment, and you will be able to see whether your model is developing or generating the output which is requiring by the customer. Okay, so here you have to ensure whether your model is giving the exact requirement of the customer or not. Okay, so here you can do many changes in your model. Once you finish your MIL testing, then you go for software in the loop testing, that is also called HIL testing and HIL simulation. So in this stage you will develop some code of your plant or your controller, okay, based on the requirement, and you will be ensure the functionality of the developed code is correct. Once code is ready, then you will search for a suitable target. Okay, so target could be here TIC2000, okay, any microcontroller or Infineon microcontroller, or also you could have the target like some real-time simulator. Okay, so after this stage actual validation will start. So till now this one was the development stage, and after development stage, once you decided the target, okay, different target, okay, then you will go for the validation process. So first validation process is PIL testing. That means whatever the code you have generated, that you will dump into a target, okay, and you will check the functionality of the dumped code, okay, without indulging any physical plant or real-time simulator. So this is called process in the loop testing, but this time very less company is indulging this method. Okay, directly they are jumping to hardware in the loop testing. Okay, so next is hardware in the loop testing. In this testing you will have a real-time simulator in which you will operate the plant in real time, and you will have your controller that is dumped into a microcontroller. So these two different environments will co-simulate, and you will be able to check the functionalities and of each and everything of your developed model in this stage. Even in this stage you can insert many test cases, and you will be ensure and a different level of robustness of your system against your different types of faults. Okay, so this is hardware in loop testing. Once you finish the hardware in loop testing and validation, you can go for power hardware in the loop testing. The power hardware in the loop testing not required always, sometimes may be required. Okay, especially when you are working with plant designing or new plant designing, at that time power hardware in the loop test mainly required. Okay, so in this stage the things are not easier, very complicated stage, because your plant or controller may will be in the real-time hardware. Okay, and some part of your test will be in the physical world. So in between you have to make something. Okay, power amplifier will take place, and that will actually interact between the model which is available in the real-time simulator and the physical model. So it is a little bit difficult testing stage, but some people used to do it. Once this one finished, you can go for full hardware testing. Means suppose you are going to drive a inverter, so once you able to make you able to pass HIL testing. Okay, so in HIL testing you will be able to ensure that your controller which you have dumped into the microcontroller, okay, so that is working fine and it is gone through many test cases, and you ensure the robustness of the controller, then easily you can have a physical inverter, motor and all these things, and just deploy your microcontroller with the physical inverter and motor, and easily you can start full hardware testing. So once full hardware testing is over, then you are so ensured that your developed model is ready for the mass production. Okay, so that means it is ready for delivering to the customer. So in this way actually this V cycle works. Okay, so this is actually called V cycle. But by the way, this steps could be different in different companies, okay, and different way of presenting, but this is my way. Being a HIL engineer, I used to visit different company and I analyze this way to present this one. Okay, so this is V cycle in model based design engineering. So this part is nothing but designing stage. Means in this stage we are doing only design activity. Okay, and this stage is for validation. So in this stage we do testing and validation. Okay, whether your controller is working well or not. Okay, how much well. Okay, what are the test cases it is passing. Okay, what are the fault robustness it had. Okay, so all this testing we do. That's why it is called validation stage. So these are the different model based design engineering development stages. Okay, one by one I will explain in my future videos. Okay, so that you will be able to understand each and everything, and even I am telling you to that I will post some real-time examples. That means I will conduct mill test, seal test in MATLAB, and hardware in the loop test in Typhoon Hill. So all this I will show you in my future videos. So my request is always that stay connected with my channel, and please like and subscribe my channel, and if possible then go through the join button and you can join my different parts. So thank you for watching my videos once again.